There is a bird's nest up there on both the light. Yeah, sorry, I'm out here in the woodshed again. Water is still draining out of the stove because I just filled the water up. This is the second time I did this video. The first time it didn't work. I have no idea why. But anyways, so out here in the woodshed, as you can see. Yeah, I know. It's kind of a mess, but I've still got to clean it. Anyways, a couple nights back I was out here, you know, stacking the wood over there, and I noticed that the bees were swarming around this light right there, and I didn't know why. I mean, yeah, sure, there are, like, I knew there was a nest here, but I didn't know if it was in the wood or around the wood or whatever. But anyways, now that it's daylight, I'm actually out here and I'm looking, and this place is covered in bees' nests, old and new. You got one there, you got one there, one there, one up there, and I just heard a bird. Where'd it go? Anyways, we got nests there. They're all cone-shaped. I can't remember what bee makes the cone-shaped hives, but yeah, no, I just wanted to share that with you. I'm gonna go. See you.